Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be on this, I don't even know what to call this, just like a warm half cut crease with gold and a nice peachy hot pinkish lip. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, if you want to see step by step how to get this look, just keep on watching. All I know is these lights are putting me on blast right now. It's not gonna focus, but that's what it is. I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in Tempera. I'm just gonna put that all over the lid just to set with Real Girl, and I'm just gonna put this all over in the crease. And then I'm gonna go in with burnt orange and blend that more in the front. Now we're gonna take red ochre, which is this nice like burnt red shade, and I'm gonna put that into the crease. So I'm just gonna start by packing that, and then we'll work on blending it. Oh, it's coming up so patchy on camera. Oh my god. Don't worry, y'all. We're gonna do a lot of cleaning up. Okay, now I'm just gonna take like a more flat shaded brush, and then I'm gonna take Ecstasy, which is just a nice like kind of like purple brown color, and I'm gonna place that in the outer V. Now I'm gonna be taking L'Oreal 306 Matte, which is just like this random like orangey reddish shade, and I'm also gonna just pack this, and this one's a really creamy color, but I'm just gonna pack this also just like all in the crease. Taking this like rounded flat brush, and I'm gonna go in with a really bright concealer. And then just with my finger, I'm gonna make sure that that blends. So now I'm just gonna pick up more of that white shade or cream shade, and I'm just gonna put that over. Okay, now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty, and I'm just taking this orangey shade, and it's not too orange, so we're only gonna put it halfway. And I'm going back in with that nice flat shader brush, just gonna wipe it. Go back with that orange and make sure that that blends into the gold. Work on just like deepening up the crease, so I'm gonna take Cypress Umber and then just connect that with the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna do, the eyeliner is making my eye shape weird, but I'm gonna do the other eye and then we'll come back. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mascara, and then the lashes that I'm using today are a little bit smaller. Okay, so I'm gonna put these on and then I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go with Milani Conceal and Perfect, and we're gonna conceal and perfect. And every day that I film, my skin is like bad, and then every day that I don't, my skin is just great. Before I set everything, I'm gonna clean up the ends of that. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, and we're gonna do that and blend. That's also gonna lift the eyes well. Now I'm gonna go in with the HD Flawless Setting Powder and a beauty sponge, and I'm gonna set the face. I'm only gonna go in like the highlighted areas. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit while we bronze, and I'm just taking the same Chanel bronzer, and we're gonna go just contour the face. Now I'm just gonna take a small blending brush and do a little tiny bit of nose contour just to balance out the face. You want to really snatch that nose. I can't even breathe. Don't worry, we're gonna blend. So now I'm gonna take this big e.l.f. brush, and I'm just gonna pretty much go in the places that I missed, as well as blending everything together so it's all nice and cohesive. This also is just gonna fill in all the parts that, because I don't use foundation, so I kind of just use this as like some light coverage. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of this blush because it's pretty pink, and I'm just gonna go under the nose and on just like the apples of the cheeks, not the high points this time. So I'm gonna go back in with that orange color, and we're gonna put this on the middle of and then I'm just gonna go in with Real Glitter again, which was that first shade that we took in the beginning, and I'm gonna put that on the outer part. Then I'm gonna go back in with Primavera and go on the inner. The last part of this face is gonna be some highlighter on the nose and cheeks. So I'm taking the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm gonna take Summer, and then this is just gonna go on my nose. In the center. Then I'm gonna take L'Oreal in the shade Achieve. In 420 Achieve. We don't know what that means. In this color, these are very, very liquidy, so you can just blend. Okay. So as you can see, now we just have a nice, like, very hot peachy shade. And I'm gonna just finish off with a little bit of this gloss, and it is pretty like metallic-y. A little bit of that in the center. So because I don't want this all over, but I do want the gloss, so I'm just gonna take a clear gloss and put that wherever. I couldn't put the other one, but I've been on the wrong light setting this entire time. So this is the final look. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, because literally my channel is so dead right now. But yeah, okay, I'm done.